Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm here with the GPX TSE250R 2021.5 model, and I bought, I'll pronounce her name wrong because, well, I stink at pronouncing names. FISCH. It's a spark arrestor, and it's United States Forest Service approved. It comes out of Canada, and they were nice enough to send me a couple kits to see what size fits this. So this is kit 20. I've already looked. Kit 20 fits. And this is what it looks like. Basically this end plus a screen. And it says on it their name, the part number, United States Forest Service approved, screen type. So that's what we have. What we'll do is there's some Allens in a baggie here. These little set screws, we'll take those. It takes 3. It looks like they give 6, so there's some extra maybe if you mess up, but they also give you some Loctite to put on the threads. Make sure you use that because I imagine they can vibrate out. They also give you the Allen, so that way it's go right out of the box. And it even has the little handle, so you'll just go up in here. And let's go do it now so you can see it being done on the bike. Here's the GPX pipe on the bike. This is the back, obviously. I've cleaned it all off. So what you'll do is you'll take the set screw, put some Loctite on it, go up in here and start threading that in. It will start to come out, but leave it flush for obvious reasons, so you can slide that in. So I have all the set screws in with Loctite on it, but because they gave me this and I have my own Loctite, I'm gonna just kind of put some on the threads on this end. Kind of just put some in the hole there. That way it can kind of soak in here while we do it. Just a little, because I'm not going to save that. Take this guy and you can place it however you want. Their name is on the top. Forest Service is on the right. So we'll go like that. I'll kind of bend that a little slightly down. Just because I already know how the exhaust is going in. So just hold that flush. Just go around to the three set screws and start tightening them up. And what you'll want to do is you'll want them as tight as you can get, so nothing slides out. Okay, that's how it looks on the bike. I'll show you from behind. Add some light to it. It's kind of what it looks like inside, if you can see into there. It's just a screen, so that way any sparks will get caught and thus not burn down the national forest. Although I doubt that's ever really happened. This saves me from getting an expensive ticket. So is this thing expensive? Yes, it's like 80 bucks. But do you want a ticket? I don't know if the ticket's 80 bucks or 100 bucks. I'm not quite sure what it is for not having an approved spark arrestor. I don't even want to take the chance. If the person's really mean, I guess they could take the bike from you. So it looks like for the GPX, we'll want kit number 20. that's what you'll want to buy, kit 20. And it's made from 304 stainless steel, installs in 15 minutes or less. Yep, that's true. Remarkable durable, easy to remove for cleaning. So you get the spark arrestor, set screws, Allen key, and Loctite. That's what you get, and this is the people. It was a little bit slow due to our issues nowadays with the whole virus in borders and shipping because it comes out of Canada. But thank you guys at FISCH for hooking me up. And I'm sure other people will find this useful because they actually get to see what it looks like on the GPX. It was recommended, but again, no one showed any video or pictures. So here we have it. And now you know what it looks like. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, check out my other videos, and please, if you want to support the channel, check out my Amazon affiliate link in the description. Everyone, get out there and ride and stay well, stay safe, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.